Hey guys, we are going to do foundation, so you need to go ahead and get your whiteboard out, your marker, and your eraser. You can go ahead and pause this video if you need to go get those things, and then come back and press play. All right? All right, so let's start with X, okay? Say X, fox, x. X, fox, x. Okay? Y, yellow, yeah. Y, yellow, yeah. All right, so we are going to go ahead and we are going to start writing, okay? For our X, we are going to start on the plane line. Everybody say start on the plane line. We're going to start on the plane line and we're going to drag our X diagonally to the grass line. Pick up your marker. You're going to leave a space on the plane line and go down to the grass line just like that, okay? So go ahead and make 2 more X's on your board. Starting at the plane line, going down to the grass line, picking up your marker, leaving a space, starting at the plane line and going down to the grass line, both at a diagonal. When you have 3 X's on your board, say X, fox, x. When you have 3 X's on your board, go ahead and erase. We are now going to do Y, yellow, yeah. Y, yellow, yeah. All right, we're going to start at our plane line. We're going to go down to our grass line. We're going to pick up our marker. We're going to leave a space on our plane line. We're going to go down. We're going to meet right there in the middle. But we're actually going to keep going. We're actually going to keep going. And we're going to go all the way to the worm line. Y, yellow, yeah. Go ahead and do 2 more. Okay. Starting at the plane line, going down to the grass line, picking up your marker, coming back to the plane line, going down to the grass line, meeting at the middle, but then you are going to keep going all the way to the worm line. So 3 Y's on your board. When you have that, say Y, yellow, yeah. And you can go ahead and erase your board when you have 3 Y's on your board. All right, let's go through these one more time. Everybody say X, fox, x. Y, yellow, yeah. Okay, that is it for foundations today. You can go ahead and put your whiteboard and marker and eraser away.